In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Perplexity Sonar API key. We'll walk through the exact process using OpenRouter, and I'll point out what each screen means so you know you're in the right place. By the end, you'll have a new key ready to use and a clear idea of how to keep it safe. Start by opening your web browser and going to the OpenRouter website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the dashboard and create keys. Once the page loads, look for the search bar at the top. Type Perplexity into the search bar and press Enter. This will bring up results related to Perplexity, including the sonar models available through OpenRouter. Click the Perplexity result to open its page. On this page, you'll typically see provider information, input and output details, and other technical specs. It's worth taking a moment to scan this section. You'll often find useful details like supported parameters, token limits, model identifiers, and pricing information. Understanding these basics will help you choose the right model and avoid surprises when you start integrating. Next, find the section labeled API or Quick Start and click it. This takes you to the area where you can generate credentials and see example requests. If you're new to the platform, the Quick Start is a helpful reference that shows how to plug your key into common tools and code snippets. Now click Create API Key. A form will appear asking for a few details. Give your key a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, for example, by project or environment. Then set a credit limit and any other available fields. The credit limit is a safety cap that helps you control usage and spending. Choose a number that fits your testing or production needs. If you see options like expiration dates, notes, or permissions, set them according to how and where you plan to use the key. When everything looks good, click Create. The platform will generate your new API key and display it once. Copy it immediately. Treat this key like a password. Do not share it. Avoid committing it to public code repositories and store it in a secure place such as an environment variable, a secrets manager, or an encrypted notes tool. If you ever think the key has been exposed, return to your OpenRouter dashboard to rotate or revoke it and create a new one. That's it. Go to OpenRouter, search for Perplexity, open the provider page, review the technicals, head to API or Quick Start, create a key with a name and credit limit, then copy and secure it. You're ready to integrate Perplexity Sonar with confidence.